Hey, Algebra 1 kids, this is Dr. Callahan. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video for the following 3 questions for your warm-up block. Keep in mind that it is due on week 18, Friday. It is worth 300 points, so make sure you guys have this done. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at your MS team. Today, you guys actually have a interesting assignment. It's going to be a little bit different because as you guys know, you have your common district final coming up in week 18. This is week 16, so you have 1 week to figure this out. And given the fact you guys are not taking the finals on campus, this is a common district final, so it is a high secured test, which means that if you have a friend that is at McLean High School or Sparks High School or Galena or Worcester High School or any high schools in Washoe County of the 12 different high schools, you guys are going to be taking exactly the same test. So it's a highly, highly secured test. And given the fact you guys are going to be online this year, you have to practice accessing the test for today's lesson before you actually take it in finals week. So what I want you guys to do is take a look at your MS team. Your only assignment that I want you guys to focus on is week 16 Friday, Algebra 1, semester 1, and you are going to practice taking the common district final on school city. Okay, so your instruction today is to do the following. It's a little bit different than yesterday's because today is a different type of thing that you're going to be doing. So let me access that for you guys. Okay, so here is your instruction. Let me go ahead, copy, and let's paste it over. Okay, so it says, student, please practice the common district exam by logging on to. This is a link that you want to get to. Once you get onto that link, click the SAML button. Do not type in anything for login information, just this button right here. Take the practice exam to ensure you're able to successfully log on in for week 18 for your final. We want to go ahead and avoid any tech glitches that we can ahead of time. If you cannot access School City, please email me. This is the only way to take the final exam in this math class. So you really do not have any other options. If you do that, okay, and you take the practice exam, it's very easy. It's not super hard like Algebra 1 related. It's more like 3rd or 4th grade math related. Once you finish it, I will get a check mark on my side that says, hey, you have taken this, you get 100%, and then that's how you're going to earn the points for today for week 16, Friday. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on assign. Hopefully that is showing up right here. And it'll take a little bit of time to maybe pop up. But essentially, that is the only thing that you need to do today, okay? So with that said, let me go ahead and go over this one more time with you guys. So once you go ahead and click on that assignment, go to this, well, you'll see it. So you're gonna click on this link right here. So click on this link. Once you have this right here, do you see where it says student access? Type in sign in with SAML. Just click on this and you'll have access to it. So make sure you do that. And then once you get in here, because I can't click on it because I'm not a student, I'm a teacher. But once you do click on in that, okay, once you get to that point, you will be able to see this test and then you'll be able to take it. And let me actually take you guys over here. So online, schedule monitor, online practice. Okay, here we go. So it's going to be saying online practice test. You want to take this test. So I'm going to click on it so that way you can see exactly what it looks like. And so if you look at this, this is the first question to do. What is the product? So once you get to this point, you have successfully logged onto it. Now to get the points for today, you want to click on the right answer and then go ahead and click save and then continue on to the next question where it says forward. The test, okay, next item, sorry, I pushed the wrong item. I guess if you want them to read it for you, you could push the play button. And it will read it for you. But if you're done with the next question, okay, go click the in for next item and it'll take you to the next one. Now, this is not your final. This is just a practice one. So it's just 7 questions for you to practice. The actual test will have, I believe, 18 questions, and you should be able to finish it in 45 minutes. You also have a timer up here, so you really only have about 60 minutes. And once that 60 minutes is done, you do not have access to the remaining time of the test. So you have to finish it within 60 minutes. So you can't start the test and then go, let me check on Snapchat to see if anybody is, looking at my account. You can't do that. You want to finish everything all in one setting. So next one, here's the next question. I'm just gonna guess, and it's probably incorrect. And round this to the nearest hundreds. I'm just gonna go ahead and type something in. Reading this one here. I'm just gonna pick one. Oh my goodness. And there is, I'm just type, okay. Done. I'm gonna go into the next one. Okay, so here we go. This is everything that I've done. I am not quite sure. Why do I not have, oh, you know what? Okay, so this is a good thing to talk about. You see how your answers is nothing selected? And I'm like, why is there nothing selected? Don't hit the submit button. Make sure you have your answers selected. And the reason for that is even though I clicked on this thing here, I didn't hit save. So make sure you guys click on save, because then it still doesn't save apparently. Let's go back to this. Save. Save. I'm gonna type in okay. Save. Okay, I don't understand this. I am not quite sure why it's not saving. This is very frustrating, but hopefully on the actual test, because this is like a practice test, but for some reason it's not saving, which I don't understand why it's not, but I will email them to figure it out. Let's see. Save this. Review summary. I don't know why it's not saved, but I will figure this out. But this is kind of weird. And I'm just gonna click submit. And it might not be saving because I'm actually not a student. And since I'm just really looking at this, you guys probably would be able to save. So make sure you save the item after each question and then moving forward. And it looks like, let's see, all of these here. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna type in. Let's see. Okay, gotcha. All right, and that's basically it, you guys. So make sure you guys do this for week 16 Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.